Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best budget robot vacuum pet hair you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many budget robot vacuum pet hair and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each budget robot vacuum pet hair, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying a budget robot vacuum for pet hair. Start by checking suction power, because strong suction helps clean up fur effectively from carpets and hard floors. Next, look at brush design, since tangle-free or rubber brushes are better at handling pet hair without clogging. Battery life is also important, as longer runtime means the vacuum can clean larger spaces without frequent recharging. Consider noise levels too, especially if your pets are sensitive to sound. Smart features like mapping, scheduling, and app control can make cleaning more convenient, even on a budget. Lastly, make sure the dustbin capacity is large enough to handle pet hair without needing frequent emptying. Balancing price and features will help you find a reliable option that fits your home and pet's needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.